Good morning, students. In this lecture, we discuss about the chemical reaction. I already told about the what is the physical change and what is the chemical change. In physical change, no new substance is formed, but in the chemical change, a new substance is formed. For example, already told S plus O2 SO2. Yes, C plus O2 CO2. The properties of CO2 not match with the carbon and oxygen. Yes, already told one more example, that is a H2 plus O2, that gives us H2O. Here the properties of H2O not match with the hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is used as a fuel and water is used to stop the fire. It helps in cause the fire. Yes, H2 is a fuel used in a rocket also, rocket propellant, rocket fuel. Yes, but in this lecture we discuss about the what is the chemical reaction. Yes, their first definition, the process involve chemical change. The process involve chemical change is called chemical reaction. The reaction in which chemical change is there, that is called new form, a new substance is formed. That is called chemical reaction. That is called chemical reaction. Yes, chemical change means new substance is a form. Yes, already told one example, C plus O2 CO2. Yes, S plus O2 SO2. N2 plus H2, that gives us ammonia. These are the chemical changes, new substances from the properties of product is not matched with the reactant. Now the topic is what is the reactant and what is the product. Yes, on the reaction, this is the left side. Yes, left side, and this is the right side. The starting of the reaction with these reactant which react, yes, reactants which react each other and gives the product. Means firstly the bond of reactant break. Actually chemical reaction involves the breakage of a old bond of the reactant and the bond, here the bond between nitrogen and nitrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen, but here the bond between nitrogen and hydrogen, mean old bond break, new bond form. The breaking of the bond of reactant and formation of the new bond of the product, that is a chemical reaction. Left side is called reactant and this side is called, right side called product, which we get. Product may be 1, 2, 3 like this. Another example, for example, calcium carbonate. Yes, first of all this, yes, calcium carbonate, CaCO3, limestone, already told, calcium carbonate. Yes, calcium carbonate. When you heat it, triangle is a sign used for heat. This notation I will tell afterwards. Yes, it gives us calcium oxide plus CO2. Here one reactant only. On left side reactant and right side is the product, two product. This is the calcium, this is the calcium oxide and this is the carbon dioxide. Already told two oxygen, that's why di. Calcium oxide and their second common name is a quicklime and their common name is a limestone. For example, you want to make calcium carbonate. First of all, write calcium, then carbonate. Put their valency, if cut, then able to make. If you want to make calcium oxide, calcium write oxide, their valency cut on table 2. Then 1 come in there for 10 calcium oxide. Or very easily able to form. Yes, if you know the polyatomic ion, monatomic ion, then you are able to form very easily. Then you know reaction very easily. And keep in mind, when any carbonate, you already know carbonate ion, when carbonate heat always give CO2. Keep in mind, calcium oxide, one oxygen left, only two oxygen left, one carbon coming outside, that is a CO2. This is the general reaction. Keep in mind always. Yes, general reaction. This is the calcium is a metal carbonate. Yes, see there. Calcium is a metal. Already told, because it lose the electron. So general reaction, metal carbonate, when you heat. These are the 8 or 9 general reaction. Then if you know about these, then you are able to solve the reaction very easily, able to form product very easily. Yes, when calcium, always for everyone, when you heat calcium carbonate, it gives a metal carbonate, it gives a metal oxide plus CO2. Keep in mind, any carbonate you take, for example, sodium carbonate, when you heat the sodium carbonate, it gives the sodium oxide plus CO2. You know about the sodium carbonate, how you form? Yes, Na1 positive, CO3 carbonate 2 negative. That's why sodium oxide, how you form metal oxide? Yes, sodium 1 positive, oxide 2 negative. Very easily. Yes, students, very easily. Another carbonate example. Yes, already told about the calcium carbonate. Now come for the magnesium carbonate. Yes, magnesium carbonate. It gives magnesium oxide plus CO2. How you form? Already know magnesium carbonate, Mg2 positive, CO3 2 negative. Cut, then very easily. Magnesium oxide already told, yes, MgO2 negative. And if you know polyatomic, monatomic ions, it's very easy for you. These are the chemical reaction. Left side is called a reactant and right side is called a product. Before chemical change, the substance is the reactant, and after chemical change, the product, new substance is formed, that is called product. This is the definition of reactant and product. Yes. Any another example of the chemical change? Yes, curd. First of all, you take milk. Milk is a reactant and you get the curd after reaction. That is called product. Because if you add a little curd in the reactant, it converted into product, that is curd. Yes, any another example? Any other example? Yes. Any other example? So, any other one more example, that is a vinegar plus sodium carbonate. Yes, vinegar plus sodium carbonate, and one is a rusting. Very interesting reaction. Rusting. Iron. Rusting of iron. Yes, Fe. Iron, the symbol is Fe. When iron react with oxygen, moisture, it and little bit water molecule X, any X mean 1, 2, 3, whatever value. Yes. Keep in mind, rusting of iron, corrosion. The word actually use corrosion. The eating up of the metal due to some environmental condition, oxygen, water, moisture. This was the moisture and this is the air, oxygen. Yes. Due to presence of these, when they attack, oxidation reaction is there. One more general reaction I will tell to you. Keep in mind. Yes, it is a very important for you. Keep in mind, students. It's very interesting. Metal plus oxygen. Keep in mind. When metal react with the oxygen, it always give a metal oxide. Very interesting reaction. Journal reaction. Second journal reaction, students. Yes, metal, any metal you take, sodium like, oxygen like O2. Then which thing form metal oxide? Sodium oxide. How you form sodium oxide? You are able to very easily, yes, sodium is a 1 positive. Very easily you are able to form the product. If you know polyatomic, monatomic ion, magnesium. Magnesium plus oxide, that's magnesium oxide. Mg 2 positive, oxygen 2 negative, cut MgO. Here iron plus oxygen, yes. Iron are 2, ferrous and ferric. Here we use ferric. Ferric oxide, that is the Fe2O3. Yes, that gives us Fe2O3. And XH2O, that is a special name given, that is a water of crystallization. Because it helps to form the crystal form. You know that is a reddish brown in color. Reddish brown in color. The rusting reaction is a very slow chemical change. Very slow chemical change. New product form, their color change reddish brown. Like a reddish brown, like a powder form, crystal form, like a crystal form. That's why when you add the water of crystalline, it becomes crystalline form. Like example, copper sulfate, their blue color because of water of crystallization. Yes, copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Yes, 5H2O. When this is the water of crystallization, copper sulfate is the blue color. Their blue color due to water of crystallization. It is in the crystal form, blue. That is their special name given is a blue vitriol. Blue vitriol. This is a salt in the lab that is used as an insecticide also. Copper sulfate. 5H2O is a water of crystallization. Their color is blue because of 5H2O, and their special name that is called blue vitriol. This is the chemical, this side is a reactant and this side is a product. This side is a product. Chemical reaction, for example, carbon plus oxygen, that gives us carbon dioxide. Okay, then this reaction is the chemical chain. New product form, the product properties not match with the reactant. Yes, any other example, students? One more very interesting example is there, vinegar. Yes, one more very interesting example is vinegar. Yes, vinegar and sodium bicarbonate. Vinegar plus sodium bicarbonate. Very interesting, sodium bicarbonate or maybe sodium carbonate. Keep in mind the journal reaction. If you want to do this journal reaction, what is the main reaction is there? Yes, metal carbonate. When you add metal carbonate is there. When you add acid in the metal carbonate, it gives always a salt plus H2O plus CO2. This is the third journal reaction. It's very important for you. Third journal reaction. Yes, third journal reaction, very important for you. Metal carbonate when react with acid, it gives salt plus H2O plus CO2. Yes. Now we try to solve. Any metal carbonate you take, maybe bicarbonate, maybe carbonate. Yes. If you take the sodium carbonate, yes, Na2CO3. Any acid you take, yes, HCl. In next example, we take the vinegar. Yes. Here you keep the valency, sodium 1 positive, carbonate 2 negative. Yes. Here 1 positive, here chlorine 1 negative. इसका पॉजिटिव इसके नेगेटिव के साथ, इसका पॉजिटिव इसके. Yes. Not take 2 here because 2 go back, that's why the 2 valency come. Yes. Na 1 positive and chlorine. इसका positive, इसका negative. Then what? NaCl. Very easily, yes, student. You are able to form the product very easily if you know the polyatomic monatomic ion rule. Positive, negative. Positive attract the negative and negative repel each other. Yes, carbonate plus H. Yes, positive always come on the left side and carbonate is the CO3 2 negative. Yes, carbonic acid. CO3 is a carbonic acid. Yes. Yes, same both of, because when carbonic acid break, it form the water and CO2. It is formed from the example cold drink. In water, when you add the CO2, it form the carbonic acid, little bit color. When you add, that is a cold drink only. Again repeat, metal carbonate when react with acid, it gives salt plus water plus CO2. Yes, carbonate plus HCl, keep in mind it give NaCl plus H2CO3, H2CO3, carbonic acid. Yeah, if you want to write, that is H2O plus CO2, very easily, it produce CO2 gas. Yes, now we do the reaction of the vinegar and the sodium carbonate. Yes, see, sodium bicarbonate you take, sodium bicarbonate you know, that is Na2CO3 plus vinegar, acetic acid CH3COOH, where the COOH group, that is acid only. This was the CO2 negative, this was the one positive, sodium one positive, and this was the one negative. इसका पॉजिटिव इसके नेगेटिव के साथ, इसका पॉजिटिव इसके नेगेटिव के साथ. Yes, HCO3 and H, it forms the carbonic acid, and CO3 2 negative. Yes, HCO3. I already told acetate always come on the left side, negative one, and Na1 positive, that give us CH3 COONA, that is called sodium acetate, and that is formed CO2 plus H2O. So this was also chemical reaction. When you take one bottle, you add a little bit of vinegar is there. Actually vinegar is a vinegar, sirka, 2 or 3% acetic acid, other is a water only. You take a half bottle of vinegar, then you put the sodium bicarbonate, it produces the CO2, and put the balloon on up. The balloon start filling with the carbon dioxide. Yes, very interesting example and very interesting experiment. Yes, very easily this reaction is very easily. This is also, this side is a reactant and this side is a product, very easily. Yes, next, any other example? Yes, you want to discuss? Yes, I want to discuss with you that Haber's process. Yes, when N2 react with H2 gas, it give ammonia gas. Yes, ammonia gas, NH3. Yes, ammonia gas. This is also, yes. If you want to know about the what is the chemical equation. Yes, what is the chemical equation? Upper we already told to you. Yes, carbon plus oxygen give us carbon dioxide. Yes, this is the reaction only. This is the reaction. But when you represent the reaction in the symbol form, when chemical reaction represent in symbol and formulae, mainly the reaction and product is called chemical equation. Chemical equation, very easy. Chemical equation. When you represent the reaction in the symbol form, that is a chemical equation. There are some rules for the chemical equation. Plus sign show the addition, left side. If right side come, that is also show the two product is formed. For example, more product is formed. Yes, but actually not here. Already told to you one reaction in which two product is formed. That reaction is the decomposition reaction. Decomposition mean break of the reactant into two product. Yes. So plus sign show mean what? Plus sign show the addition. And arrow show reaction proceed between reactant and product. And if the S written, it means solid form. If A U written, that is the aqueous, means dissolve in water. dissolved in water. If G written is there, it means gas, gaseous state. For example, O2 in a gaseous state always. Yes, another symbol is also used for there. If triangle sign is used, heat is there. If HV written is the photochemical reaction. In light present in the form of reaction due in the form in the presence of light. Yes, in the presence of light. And in some reaction already told to you, that is the vinegar plus bicarbonate. Gas release is there, already told. Yes, sodium carbonate plus HCl gives us NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. The arrow show that gases go out very easily from the product. Very easily go. Yes, arrow show. It go up very easily. And some reaction like NaCl plus AgNO3. This is the precipitation reaction. Precipitate form. Sodium 1 positive, 1 negative, silver 1 positive, 1 nitrate always, iska positive, iska negative, iska positive. That is the AgCl. That arrow down, it means the precipitate, solid things. For example, when you at home use the butter, when you churning the milk, the butter coming outside, the precipitate, solid thing, fats coming outside. Yes, AgCl, white precipitate, like same the white precipitate that come settle down in the form of solid. That is called precipitation reaction. Yes, NaNO, that is form sodium nitrate. And this is the silver chloride. This is the silver chloride. So precipitation reaction also, so chemical reaction happen. These are the examples. Very easy example, carbon dioxide produced, and one example is a precipitation, positive triangle sign. Yes, triangle sign, that is show for the heat is there, this sign. Yes, so this is the chemical reaction part. In next lecture, we discuss about the balancing of the equation. Yes, balancing of the chemical reaction. Yes, thank you.